So I'm currently standing on the site where Intel is about to break ground on a $20 billion chip making facility here in Licking County. That's right, billion with a B. The reason I tell you that is because I have a new listing that's minutes from here, and I'm super excited to show it to you. So let's go check it out. Welcome to 1459 Green Cook Road in Sunbury. This house behind me was built in 1901 by the Cook family of Green Cook Road. This home is move-in ready, or it could be perfect for your imagination to make this home something Chip and Joanna would be jealous of. And sitting on approximately 4 acres, you have plenty of room to work with. Thanks for taking a look. I'm gonna get back to work.